What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that is it's going to transform your day because it's starting and talking about your morning habits. You ever wondered how successful people just seem to have it all together? Well, ironically, it starts with how they start their day. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of high octane tips that are going to help you supercharge your productivity. Let's get into the video. So why do your morning habits matter so much, right? Well, studies have actually shown that starting your morning with intention can boost your focus, energy, and even your mood. Think of your morning as the foundation of your day, right? If you have a shaky, slow start, you may have a chaotic day after that. But if you have a strong start, that's really where the magic is. So let's talk about what will take your mornings and your productivity to the next level. First things first, consistency is key. Waking up at the same time every day trains your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. This means better quality of sleep and more energy for you throughout the day. So try to stick to your wake-up time, even on the weekends. Habit number 2, start your day with hydration. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body's dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water right after waking up kickstarts your metabolism and rehydrates your brain, helping you think more clearly. Habit number 3, avoid checking your phone first thing in the morning. It's tempting, I know, but checking your emails or social media first thing in the morning, it can spike your stress levels and put you in a reactive mindset. Instead, use that first hour of your day for yourself. Which brings us to habit number 4, move your body. You don't need a full workout, just 10 minutes of stretching or yoga or a quick walk can improve circulation and energy. Plus, it's a great way to wake up your body and your mind first thing in the morning. As you can see here, enjoying some sunlight, have the blinds open, just doing some light stretching, nothing crazy. I do keep my socks on with the mat, but that's usually because in the wintertime it's a lot colder. But again, just some basic stretches here to help kickstart my morning day and get me in a grounded mindset for the rest of the day. And the 5th practice that I like to do is mindfulness or meditation. Taking a few minutes to meditate or practicing mindfulness can reduce your stress and improve your focus. Apps like Headspace or Calm are even great if you're new to this. Habit number 6, plan your day. Take 5 to 10 minutes and write down your top priorities for the day. You can use a planner as you see here if you're a pen and paper person, or even just a piece of paper. But knowing what you want to accomplish will help you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Habit number 7, fuel your body. You know what they say, don't skip breakfast. Choose something nutrient-rich like oatmeal, eggs, or a smoothie. As you can see here, I'm making some scrambled eggs. And a healthy breakfast fuels your brain and it gives you the sustained energy that you're going to need to continue to be productive throughout your entire day. Because let's face it, you're awake for 16 hours a day. That's 2/3 of the entire day. So you're going to need to start with a fuel source because you wouldn't expect your car to run without gasoline. So why would you expect your body to run without the food that it needs to get everything done? Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, these habits seem cool, but how do I stick to these? Everyone's been through this. You start a habit, you stay strong, New Year's resolution, you go 4, 5, 6, 7 days. By week 2, by the end of week 2, you're right back to your old habits. So how do you stay motivated? It's a great question. Here's 3 simple things you can do that take no effort at all. 1, start small. Pick 1 or 2 of these habits. You don't have to do all of them. Pick 1 or 2 and try and incorporate those into your daily morning routine, right? The second tip, stack habits. If you're going to go up in the morning, drink your glass of water while your coffee's brewing, right? Just do both at the same time. If you can group them together, it's essentially your same habit routine. You're adding extra positive steps to it, but you're not even noticing that because it's part of the routine that you're already used to. Humans are creatures of pattern and habit. So if you're just adding a slight tweak to an existing habit, you're tricking your mind essentially. It's not even going to realize. And then the third thing is be patient with yourself. This is not going to happen overnight. It's not something that changes. They say it takes 21 days to form a new habit. And at the end of the day, we're all human and we're not perfect. So have a little bit of grace with yourself. Like I said, pick one or two of those habits, try and stack it and combine it with another habit, and just have fun with it. At the end of the day, you're just trying to get a little bit better every day. You're not trying to go from 0 to 100 like Drake says. Okay? Be patient with yourself. All right, so really quick, I want to recap all of those tips because there were a lot, but it's all good information. Focus on waking up consistently. It doesn't matter what time you get up, well, unless it's the afternoon, that's probably late, but it doesn't matter what time you get up. Make sure you're getting up at the same time every morning. You want to create a habit and a pattern out of this. Secondly, make sure you're hydrating. 8 to 16 ounces of either lukewarm or room temperature water is ideal. Make sure you get those liquids in as soon as possible. Number 3, avoid your phone. Those text messages, those social media notifications, those emails, they're all going to be there waiting for you. They were there last night when you were sleeping, and they will still be there after you take some time for yourself. And that can be either by moving your body, by doing some yoga, some stretches, or a light HIIT workout, or going for a walk, or practicing mindfulness. As a Christian, that's a time I like to use to pray, do some journaling, read my Bible. But you can do whatever you need to during this time, even if it's just sitting silently for 5 to 10 minutes. It's better than nothing. Fourth, you're going to want to go ahead and plan your day. You can use a physical planner like I do here, or if you're someone who always uses their phone, you can use the Notes app. If you like your laptop, you can use G Suite, Google Calendars, Outlook, whatever you need to do to plan your day out so that way you know what it is that you need to get done for today based on priority level, and you can have some way to track that, because things that are not tracked can't be gauged and you can't see improvement, and you're going to lose motivation over time. The fifth thing, definitely not the last, is make sure that you fuel your body. You've been asleep for 8 to 10 hours if you're sleeping optimally, 6 if you're not. Go ahead and get that breakfast in. Breakfast is the biggest, most important meal of the day, right? That's why they have athletes on the Wheaties boxes. No, but in all seriousness, make sure you get a good meal in. Like for me, I usually have scrambled eggs, oatmeal, and yogurt. Maybe that's not your cup of tea. Maybe you want to have something else. But whatever it is, make sure it's nutritional and it gives you that energy that you need to get through the rest of your day. Please go ahead and drop a like. Comment down below what your favorite morning routine or ritual is. Until next time, I'm Emmanuel here on iMan Lifestyles. Peace.